Okay, hello everybody. Today we are going to make our favorite emojis. Do you love emojis?
Okay.
Art emojis. Do you love emojis?
Parikshet, what is there in your t-shirt?
Super Mario.
Super Mario, and it changes the color, na? Show
Yes.
me. Oh wow, it became blue.
Yeah. No
Wow.
red.
Okay, red.
The hat become red and this become blue.
Wow. So let's start making the emoji.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
And parents, share your kids' drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at Kids Fun Learn Club and @Kids Fun Learn Club. Let's start the drawing.
Fine.
Let us start with the smart emoji.
Yeah.
First, make a circle using a circular thing from your home.
Like in the angry emoji and the crying emoji.
Make a circle. And we make a circle here also.
And we are done with the circle.
Now we'll make the
Now
smart emoji.
first
For
we
to make the smart emoji, we make the sunglasses. How do we make the sunglasses? You want to make the smiling thing first? Wait, I'm telling you. We first make a small over here like this.
I know.
And then we like this. Okay? Similarly, we make one down. And now what do we do? We color it. And but when we color it, we don't need to make outline. We don't need to make it out. We
See.
just
See.
we do not need to make it out. Just make this and color it. Color outside.
For example, I like this. I color this was in black. Oh, this. How was our emojis? Nice, very good. How was our emojis? Nice. And like and subscribe my channel to see more drawings ideas.